Hello everyone, just got back from my 4-day vacation, so I didn't get much work done obviously in the past 4 days. But today we're gonna put some paneling, or the rest of the paneling that's going on this house, on the house side of the gable. So it's only gonna be one panel high, and then the lath will go up on top of that. But on this side we're gonna have to adjust for this one panel high just to make sure it makes it up to where the gable starts, because I think this is about 10'8" and the panels are 10 feet, but we got 6 inches of trim on both ends to kind of cover that and to make it look like it's making it the full length. So today we got to get this, just like the other sides, got to get this ledge scraped off and cleaned up before we can set the panels. And also we got to still trim out that window up there, bathroom window, the last window that didn't get trimmed out, and then throw some panels on. All right, well, let's get started. Now that's all cleaned up, we can put the trim on the window now. Let's get started laying out the first piece. Well, that concludes the panel, all the panel installation on this ICF barndominium. We still got to do the board and battens and put on the rest of the trim. That is all of the panel. And yeah, I'm done out here. Gonna go install some ducts on the inside and make a video of that. And if you're wondering why there's so many cuts in this time lapses that I have just for this side, this is why.